Hi guys, my name is Manisha and I'm back for another video, and I'm going to be showing you how I kind of made this house for my doll and how it looks like. So first we have this closet, which is one of my favorites. I made this like today or yesterday. It's kind of off balance, but this is so cute. This closet is one of my favorite things in this house. And I also have the bed over here for my doll that is sleeping on right now. I made the bed by my friend actually gave it to me. She said she made it out of a tissue box. She gave it to me because I just asked for it and she's like, okay, I have two, so you can have one. It's so cute. I added hearts on it, like my bed. And here's a little toy bag and a hat and some shoes and some other stuff in there. And here's the bathroom area. This is a shower, and here is a curtain right here, shower curtain. I love it. It's so cute. My mom loves it too. And up on top of here, there's a towel and some soap over here. I also have this toilet, which I made out of Legos. It's so cute. I have also this, which this is the sink. Here's some soap that I try to make, some yellow soap. And here's some fluffy rugs that my mom got. So this chair was actually a table that my little brother made for me for my doll, but I decided to turn it into a chair because it looked way more like chairish for me. And here's a mini fridge. And in here, I got this from the dentist where my tooth fell out, but I used it for a pizza cut. It actually came in the LOL bigger packet. It actually came for little packaging for the pizza, but it was very hard for me to make and it kept on ripping, so I didn't use that. And I also have this coffee right here that I got from, I forgot her name, but, and this is a tea stand, I think. I forgot what it was called, but I think it's called a tea stand. And that's mostly about it. I just love this. It's so cute. And I hope you guys could make it too. Can you please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe, because I took 3 or 4 days to making this thing. Bye.